So I've been volunteering at the STEM workshop today, which has been based about cybersecurity for year eights at the Rockier School. It's great that we're able to do this sort of thing because it's really sort of encouraging children into development, cybersecurity, and technology really, and actually being able to get hands-on with some of the technology actually makes it come to life really.
So we've been running the project for 3 years now, working closely with Small Piece Trust, who deliver some great workshops across the UK and now in Jersey. And of course, we've had some fantastic support from BDO and C5, not just sort of helping to fund the week of workshops, but also bringing their specialist staff in as well to work alongside the students.
So we're here from the Small Piece Trust doing the Cybersecurity Challenge, working with roughly 600 students over this course of the week, doing 10 sessions, so the mornings and afternoons. Hopefully getting a few future cyber engineers, teach them a few cyber techniques, getting to work in teams, meet new people, meet companies that have actually sponsored this event. So we've got BDO and C5 Alliance that actually sponsored it. And then students also get to meet people in the industry as well as learn a little bit about cyber.
Next steps is obviously to build upon this. We've been talking to BDO. They're looking at getting some students to go and do some observations there. So our top students from today, they've got the information, they're probably going to do some work experience. We're looking forward to that. The sessions are still going on now. We've got Matt over from the UK. He's brilliant. We really enjoyed having him, and the kids are loving it.
So these programs are aimed to inspire students to go into STEM, specifically engineering, and these experiences are things that you wouldn't normally get otherwise. And to be able to come into schools and give students that experience, they might consider engineering that they'd never done before. So it allows that exploration of a new topic, and hopefully we get some really great engineers from it. And it helps them build teamwork skills and other life skills like communication.
We're here to learn about computing and hacking into websites and things like that. I learned how to hack stuff and how to code.
So it's something different than a normal school day, and you learn about like security and how you could be safer online compared to if you just give out all your information.
We've just kind of generally learned about how easily people can be tricked and lose their identity or have things stolen from them online.